15 seconds remaining. You guys going to go for it now? This is the last 10 seconds of their fight. 10 seconds. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. That's it. Go on, guys. Time to go, guys.
95 now, about the Proclaimers, King of the Road. I think we'll speak to Ralph if we can track him down after this. We'll find out what's been happening over there with the real fighting that's going on. Honestly, it's real fighting.